Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now we are continuing the topic on dictionaries. Now we are going to discuss one useful topic which is finding the number of iterations of the element or letter. So how many times letter or word that is repeated in a sentence or in a file. To find the counting of that each element, each letter. So for that, these dictionaries are very useful. So now we let us say we discuss how we can write one example program so that we can understand how we can useful with these dictionaries are. Okay. Now just I will open this dictionaries. We already discussed dictionaries, right? So finding the iterations letter in a sentence. Take any example, any string or any sentence you can see. Just Python programming is very easy. Let us say the p how many times it is repeated, y how many times it is repeated, like that. The p how many times is it? Two times it repeated, right? Like that. Each element how many times it is repeated. Just we'll see. So create an one empty dictionary. The b is equal to this is the empty dictionary. Now for I in a, b of I is equal to a dot count. Yeah, that's it. Now just print the b, each element, each letter how many times it is repeated. Okay, just see the hands-on programming, you can understand. um, and the same thing, we'll just copy this program in the notepad. Dict dot dict Python. The p is repeated two times, y repeated three times, the p repeated two times, yeah, y repeated three times here, here and here, like that. So even space also there. Here c, this is space also repeated four times, like that. We can check that the dictionaries how to find the each element how many times it is repeated. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, thank you.